Okay, today I want to show you about the dryer vent brush. Your lint trap screen is removable on most dryers and needs to be cleaned on a regular basis. This one is extremely dirty, but we've been washing some new linens, so it's understandable why it's clogged like this. You always want to change this after every drying of your laundry, and you can see why. In addition to that, the area where the lint trap screen goes can also periodically be cleaned with one of these lint brushes. It's a very flexible brush, has the little flexible bristles on it, as you can see here, and you just want to run that in and out of your lint trap socket on your dryer. And I'll attempt to show you that now. You just run it in and out of the area where the screen goes, and because it has a, see all the dust and debris that's coming up out of there, because it has a pretty flexible shaft on it, you're able to reach it down in there pretty far to where this lint and stuff hangs up on your lint trap screen in your dryer. Okay, thanks.